Wait, don't leave yet. My favorite part of the picture is starting. The credits. Oh, I love to count credits. One, directed by, that's one credit. One, written by, that's two credits. One, produced by, that's three credits. One director of photography, that's four credits. One art director, that's five fabulous credits. One associate producer. Somebody must associate with the producer. I love it. That's six credits. One supervising film editor, that's seven stupefying credits. One music score by, that's eight credits. One music supervised by, nine credits. One Joan Getz Cooley. Hi, Mom. That's 10. 10 fantastic credits and still counting. I love it.